Okay, so it's Indian Mynah trapping season. It's 2012. Alright, my aim is to teach you people out there how to catch these little mothers. The trap is called a Mynah management trap. Simple to make. Might cost you $100 in materials unless you can find them yourself. 25mm square wire mesh. Probably stands about 5 foot high. It has two components. The bottom part is a trapping area with two funnels that are removable, and it goes up into the second stage, which is the holding cage. It's a one entry, so the target bird is caught in the top. Non-target birds are in the bottom and are easily released. There's a non-target bird right there. Catch quite a few top knots. Need to handle them very carefully. It's a little dove. Right, so second day of trapping season. Made a few tweaks to the trap. Just having a bit of a video on the Mynahs. So the key features of the trap is do not go near it at all during daylight hours, otherwise you will ruin your trapping experience for weeks on end. If you've got non-target species in there, just make sure you shoot the Mynahs away that are hanging around and they don't see you near it, and then let them out. Second thing, food. They eat anything. Dye it red. Dye cat food red. Bit of red food dye, and there's the result. Alright, lots of young stupid birds around at the moment. Catch them, handle them with care, because their sentence, as we all know, is the final one. Okay, this is a short video on successful Indian Mynah trapping. The key to catching these little monsters is simple. Don't go near the trap once it's set until it's dark. Otherwise you'll waste 2 or 3 months worth of catching. Okay, so oops, can't do that. This is my trap with birds in it. It's called a Mynah management trap. Successful Indian Mynah trapping. There's the trap. It's called a Mynah management trap, designed by a dude at the Canberra University. All props. It's made up of two sections. Holding cage up the top and a trapping part down the bottom. Has two funnels, really quite high. It's 25mm wide mesh each side. On the entrance to each funnel is a mirror inviting them in. This is the second day of my trapping season.
I'm driving now. That hideous red and yellow plastic thing with the round roof. I can't even fit another passenger in that lemon. Oh, God, I just take it for a test drive around the block and past the kindergarten to impress the chicks. Oh, goody. Eat my dust, sucker.
Unless, of course, it is a snow fight, then it's pretty cool.